Hello! Ito tayo guys. Kumusta kayo dyan? How's your day? Mustang araw nyo dyan guys? Ito tayo habang mainit. So yun. Ang partner ko is sleeping. Medyo siguro talaga to puyat. Siguro talaga to kagabi. Ano kayang pinag-overtime nito ni Miming kagabi? Siguro to siya. Duty to siya last night. Ayun, napuyat talaga. So, ngayon, sleeping talaga si Miming. Oh, sa nakikita nyo, guys. So, Ming, ano? What you did last night, Ming? So, Miming, don't mind. Don't disturb me. I'm sleeping. You go on your way. You do what you want there. Don't disturb me. I'm sleeping. So, you do what you want. If you want to do a video, okay. You go. Ay, naku, Ming. Pa si Miming. Tripa na naman si Miming, oh guys. Ayun. So, yun lang guys. Yun lang talaga ang Miming ko. Ang partner ko dito palagi, guys. Ayun, sa nakikita nyo. We are here. So, yun. Medyo mainit talaga tayo, guys. For today. Ayun. Mainit ang panahon natin. So, Miming, don't mind the don't disturb me. I'm sleeping. So you do your video there. Ming, no? Ming, gawin mo yung video mo dyan. Wag mo akong disturbuhin dito. Natutulog ako. So yun lang guys. My partner is sleeping. See? Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.